Let's talk about Choco Pie. This delightful snack has captured the hearts of many, not just in South Korea but all around the globe. It's more than just a treat, it's a cultural icon that brings a taste of Korea to the world. It's a delicious treat from South Korea. Imagine walking through the bustling streets of Seoul, where the air is filled with the aroma of various street foods. Among these, the Choco Pie stands out as a beloved dessert, often enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee. People all over the world love it. Have you tried one? Whether you're in Asia, Europe, or the Americas, Choco Pies have found their way into the hearts and homes of many. It's a snack that transcends borders, bringing a little piece of Korean joy to everyone. It's like a little cake sandwich with a chocolate coating. So yummy. The soft, fluffy cake layers are filled with a sweet, marshmallow-like filling, all encased in a rich chocolate coating. Each bite is a perfect blend of textures and flavors that make it irresistible. Lotte is the company that makes Choco Pies. Founded in 1967, Lotte has grown to become one of South Korea's largest conglomerates, and their Choco Pies are a testament to their commitment to quality and innovation. They make millions and millions of them. Every day, thousands of Choco Pies roll off the assembly lines, ready to be enjoyed by fans worldwide. The scale of production is truly impressive, ensuring that there's always a Choco Pie available for anyone craving one. They have big factories where everything happens. These state-of-the-art facilities are equipped with the latest technology to ensure that each Choco Pie meets the highest standards of quality and taste. From mixing the ingredients to packaging the pies, it's quite a journey. The process starts with carefully selected ingredients mixed to perfection. The batter is then baked into soft cakes which are filled and coated with chocolate before being packaged. Are you ready to see how it's done? Join us as we take a closer look at the fascinating process behind the creation of Choco Pies. From the initial mixing of ingredients to the final packaging, every step is meticulously planned and executed to bring you the perfect snack. Making a Choco Pie starts with the best ingredients. They use special flour, sugar, and creamy butter. Of course, you need cocoa powder to make it chocolatey. They even add a touch of vanilla for extra flavor. Lotte makes sure each ingredient is top quality. This makes the Choco Pies taste amazing every time. They are very careful about what they put in. That's how they make them so delicious. Now it's time to make the dough. Big machines mix everything together. They stir and stir until it's smooth and fluffy. Imagine a giant mixer like you'd use for cake batter but much bigger. Next, the dough goes for a ride on a conveyor belt. It's flattened into big sheets, like when you roll out cookie dough. Then special cutters shape the dough into perfect circles. These will be the two halves of our Choco Pie. Section 4. The baking journey. Ready to bake? The dough circles go into giant ovens. These aren't like the ovens in your kitchen. They are huge and can bake lots of Choco Pies at once. The ovens bake the dough until it's golden brown and soft. When they come out, they need to cool down. This is important so they don't melt the chocolate later. Cooling down also helps the Choco Pies become nice and firm. Section 5. A bath of chocolate. Welcome to the most delightful part of our journey through the Choco Pie factory. Here comes the best part, the moment we've all been waiting for. The cooled Choco Pies take a dip in a pool of melted chocolate. Imagine the rich, velvety chocolate enveloping each pie, creating a perfect coating. It's like a chocolate waterfall. The chocolate cascades down, ensuring every inch of the Choco Pie is covered. The chocolate covers each pie evenly. This process is meticulously designed to achieve that flawless, glossy finish we all adore. After the chocolate bath, the Choco Pies go on another trip. They continue their journey on the conveyor belt, moving towards the next crucial stage. This time they go through a special tunnel. This tunnel is essential for setting the chocolate. Cold air blows on them to make the chocolate hard and shiny. The temperature is carefully controlled to ensure the perfect texture and sheen. Now they look like the Choco Pies we all know and love. Each one is a masterpiece, ready to be packaged and sent out to bring joy to chocolate lovers everywhere. Quality control is a critical step. Each Choco Pie is inspected to ensure it meets our high standards. Only the best make it to the packaging stage. The Choco Pies are then carefully packaged. Workers handle each box with care, making sure the pies are perfectly arranged and ready for shipment. Once packaged, the boxes are sealed and labeled. They are now ready to be distributed to stores and eventually to your home. delivery trucks are loaded with these delicious treats. They leave the factory, embarking on their journey to bring sweetness to people far and wide. And finally, the Choco Pies reach their destination. Families everywhere enjoy these delightful treats, creating moments of happiness and joy. Each bite reveals the perfect combination of soft cake, creamy filling, and rich chocolate coating. It's a taste sensation that brings smiles to faces of all ages. Back at the factory, the workers celebrate another successful batch. Their hard work and dedication ensure that every Choco Pie is a little piece of happiness. From the factory to your home, the journey of a Choco Pie is a testament to the passion and precision that goes into making each one. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure. Section 6. Wrapped with care, almost done. Machines carefully wrap each Choco Pie. This keeps them fresh and delicious. The machines are very fast but also very gentle. Before they are put in boxes, people check each Choco Pie. They make sure each one looks perfect. Only the best Choco Pies make it to the stores. Section 7. Choco Pie around the world. Latte Choco Pies are a global sensation. These delightful treats have captured the hearts and taste buds of people from all corners of the globe. Originating from South Korea, Latte Choco Pies have become a symbol of sweet indulgence and comfort. Their journey from a local favorite to an international phenomenon is truly remarkable. People everywhere love their soft, chocolatey goodness. The combination of fluffy marshmallow filling, rich chocolate coating, and soft cake layers creates a perfect harmony of flavors and textures that is hard to resist. Whether it's a quick snack, a dessert, or a treat to share with friends and family, Choco Pies fit every occasion. You can find them in so many countries. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene landscapes of Europe, Choco Pies have made their mark. Each country adds its own twist to the packaging, making it a unique experience for consumers. The universal appeal of Choco Pies lies in their ability to bring a smile to anyone's face, no matter where they are. In India, Choco Pie is super popular. The Indian market has embraced this delightful snack with open arms. It's not just a treat, it's a part of celebrations, festivals, and everyday moments. The love for Choco Pies in India is evident in the way they are enjoyed by people of all ages. People there really enjoy its unique taste and texture. The soft, spongy cake combined with the creamy marshmallow and rich chocolate coating creates a sensory delight that is cherished by many. It's a snack that brings joy and happiness, making every bite a memorable experience. It's a favorite snack time treat for everyone. Whether it's a family picnic, a school lunchbox, or a casual get-together, Choco Pies are always a hit. They are more than just a snack. They are a way to connect with loved ones and create lasting memories. The joy of sharing a Choco Pie is something that transcends cultural boundaries. So next time you enjoy a Choco Pie, remember its amazing journey. From the meticulous production process in state-of-the-art factories to the careful packaging that ensures freshness, every Choco Pie is made with love and care. The dedication and passion that go into making each Choco Pie are what make it so special. From South Korea to the rest of the world, it's a treat made with love and care. Enjoy every bite. The story of Choco Pie is a testament to how a simple snack can bring people together, crossing borders and cultures. So, the next time you take a bite of a Choco Pie, savor the flavors, and remember the incredible journey it has taken to reach you. Enjoy every bite and share the joy with those around you.